Stevie Garcia, what's up, dude? Just time for a quick little video. Quick little update on your 5A3, what I would call a 5A3B because of the tube complement. But I'll take you through it real quick. Let me grab a quick chopstick. You'll get the good one today. We have some rectifier backup diodes here. And I have a little bit more cleaning to do in and outside of the chassis. This has been incredibly difficult to clean. There's something on here that's just incredibly resilient. So we have obviously some new filter caps, more appropriate in value at 16 microfarads. Cleaned up your power supply wiring. Cleaned up the chassis grounds. There's a better shot of the diodes, I guess. See if I can get that. There you go. A ton, and I mean a ton of just barely connected solder joints on these old sockets. A new, in lieu of that 0.047 little noise scrubbing cap, I have a proper Y2 class cap going from your neutral to ground. That'll take care of any line noise, despite the fact that, yes, there's a power cord, but these are still handy, I find, and so do a lot of other manufacturers. So we'll keep that in place. Tone control, just again, just cleaned up the entire circuit board and all the new chassis solder joints here. Your cleaned up pots, they came out really nice. They're nice and smooth in rotation. See if I can get some better light on there for you. Your little domino silver mica, still good. There we go. A little more cleaning to do, but I'm not going to get overly aggressive. Like here, see, this needs to be redone. Even though it's not going anywhere, I need to do this over again. So that'll get redone, and that's why I magnify things. Yeah, overall, pretty happy so far. Have some new dropping resistors. As you can see, I just did the initial scraping of the old flux. Let's see, again, we have some new joints there on the chassis, cleaned up all that stuff, because they were pulling off. This guy was coming off here. I had to run a new braid on this guy right here, because this was cracked right here, and I could just literally pull this off with my thumb, so that's no bueno. But yeah, aside from that, man, just a little bit left to do. And the extensions going from the original output transformer right here, I'll clean those up. And also insulate the wires going from the output transformer secondary over to the speaker terminals so you don't accidentally reach back there and electrocute yourself. So that's about it for now. And I'll get back to you. Bye-bye.